To everybody who has joined. And today we'll be having a wonderful session. And uh, I would ask Ms. Rashmi Rekha uh, to take the mic from now and explain you all. Thank you, Rashmi.
Thank you. ମୁଁ ରଶ୍ମି ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଆମେରିକା ହେଲ୍ଥ ଆଣ୍ଡ ୱେଲନେସ୍ ତରଫରୁ ବହୁତ ବହୁତ ସ୍ୱାଗତ। ଆଜି ଆଜିର ଏଇ ମିଟିଂ ଆରମ୍ଭ କରିବା ପୂର୍ବରୁ କିଛି ଇନଫର୍ମେସନ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଦେବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି। The first thing, there is a disclaimer this is not intended to replace primary care physicians. The service will offer consultative advice but not the recommended treatment. ମୁଁ ଅନୁରୋଧ କରେ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ take your time, take few minutes to go through this disclaimer so that from this meeting.
May I have your attention, please? It is now 12 p.m. and visiting hours are over.
ଆମେ ଆଗକୁ ବଢିବା ପୂର୍ବରୁ there are few guidelines so that we can deliver better to everybody. First thing, nijo microphone mute rakhotu so that the service can be uninterrupted. And as a participant, there is a raise hand button. ଆପଣ ସେ button को use କରିପାରିବେ ଯାହା ଦ୍ୱାରା ଆମେ ଜାଣିପାରିବୁ କି ଆପଣ so that we can help you answer the question. ତାପରେ ଅନୁରୋଧ କରାଯାଉଛି ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ all the experts will limit their duration of answer between 30 to 40 seconds so we can help answer many more questions. And ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଅନୁରୋଧ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଅନୁରୋଧ webcam ଯଦି possible ହବ on କରନ୍ତୁ and ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନାଁ ଆଉ ସିଟିର ନାଁ ଲେଖନ୍ତୁ so that ଆମେ ଜାଣିପାରିବୁ ଆମେ କାହାକୁ answer କରିପାରୁଛୁ and କାହା ସହିତ କଥା ହେଇପାରୁଛୁ. And then we are good to go. ମୁଁ ଅନୁରୋଧ କରେ Dr. Devashish Rai sir. He's the OSA Health and Wellness Group Chairman. Please take over, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And namaskar again. And welcome to the session of today, COVID and hypoxia and COVID with difficulty breathing, what to do. So this session today, for our common lokong pai ghare ame kon kariba. If something like this happens with this COVID pandemic and the situation that's happening, what do you do at home? Ame doctor nu dakuchu, sangu ku phone kurchu, getting panicked. So what we should do at home if this sort of things happen? This is a very simplistic thing, and what we should know what we can do at home, initial part. And with this, you see the panel of doctors here, experts who are here. We have guest speakers also from India, Chandan Gantayat, who is a professor of medicine, and he will tell the ground reality. We have UK experts, Dr. Ajit Khail, Naveen Mahanti are here, along with our panel of doctors. And one more thing is, our last session was very successful. People liked it, and we had a lot of online and offline feedback and questions. Please put your questions out here. And again, every Saturday we will be coming live to you guys as promised. Next slide, please. Okay, so now, the situation here is very grim. The news is very, very bad when we hear 24/7. But what I would request is, our resolve is also very steely. We have to have a steely resolve that we can do anything, something, and everything that we can as an individual and together. Fight this out and fight we will. With this, I request Dr. Nanak Agrawal, who is our guide and advisor and the senior most physician here, to take over. Nanak Bhai, please, welcome.
Dear brothers and sisters, Namaskar. I thank you all for being present at this interactive educational session of COSA Health Wellness. At this critical period, when our motherland is experiencing a catastrophic epidemic, let us contemplate on the teachings of our scripture. Swami Vivekananda has instructed us that service to man, that is service to humanity, is service to God. The Bhagavad Gita further emphasizes that our right is to work only, but never to its fruit. Let the fruit of action be not our motive, nor let our attachment be to inaction. Hence, any help, any act of love, even the smallest, is not insignificant. Little by little, all of us working together, we will succeed. That is our resolve. It is now my privilege and honor to request our OSA Health Wellness Chairman, Dr. Devashish Rai, to take over. Thank you all.
Thank you, Nanak Bhai. That was such a wonderful, positive reinforcement. समस्तों को मैं इकट्ठे gather करचू, and all the people who are here, just let us know that we are there for you guys. So the next slide, please.
Yes, some OSAR Odisha help kariya paingi.
So please mute your mic, whoever is talking kindly. Okay, thank you. So now, our Odisha Society of America and our Health and Wellness Group together, we welcome you all and thank those who have pledged for this cause, Help India Heal, the Odisha-based COVID project that we are doing. And please donate kindly, and let's reach and achieve what we plan to and what we dream of, whatever way we can. And this is my urgent appeal to you guys. Please come forward and give or donate your time, your money, or whatever you can, whichever way you can. Thank you so much. And these are some of the slides. Next. Next, please. Next. Yes. So now I would welcome Dr. Basant Mahapatra, who is the Chief Coordinator of the sessions. Basant Bhai, please take the mic. Thank you.
Thank you, Devashish. ମୁଁ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ନମସ୍କାର କରୁଛି, ୱେଲକମ୍ କରୁଛି ଆମ ଏ ସେସନକୁ। ଆଜି ଆମର ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ସେସନରେ ଆମେ ଗଲା ସପ୍ତାହରେ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ କଲୁ, ପ୍ରତି ୱିକେଣ୍ଡରେ ପ୍ରତି ସଟରଡେରେ ଆମେ କରିବୁ ଏମିତି। ଆଉ ଆପଣମାନେ ଯଦି ତା ଭିତରେ କିଛି ଏନି ଟପିକ ଉପରେ ଆପଣ ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟେଡ ଆପଣ ପଠେଇ ଦେଇପାରିବେ, ଡକ୍ଟର ଏଙ୍କୁ ପଠେଇବେ, ହେଲେ ଆମେ ତାକୁ ବି ନେକ୍ସଟ ଅନୱାର୍ଡ ଆମେ ୱିକେଣ୍ଡରେ ଆମେ ଦେଖି କରିବୁ। କିନ୍ତୁ ଆଜିର ଯୋଉ ଟପିକ ଆମେ ଚୁଜ୍ କଲୁ, जो हाइपोक्सिया माने बॉडी रे ऑक्सीजन कमी गले कौन होउची, लोकंकर बहुत एंजाइटी होची। हमें बहुत दिन राती आई गेट लॉट ऑफ पर्सनल कॉल, देवाशीष, इवन लॉट ऑफ आवर गाइज, अतसु, एवरी वी गेट लॉट ऑफ कॉल्स अबाउट दिस। तो हमें डिसाइड करलु ऑक्सीजन ए विषय रे हमें गोटे क्लारिफिकेशन गोटे बुझाई देबो लोक मानकु कोन सेडा। आपण माने जानिछबी ऑक्सीजन आम देहर सबु जीवक सबु सेल पई सबु अंग प्रत्यंग पई अत्यंत जरूरी। जदि ऑक्सीजन गोटे लेवल अच्छे लेवल कमी जीव आमर सबु ऑर्गन धीरे धीरे माने खराब हो बहुत तार डिस्ट्रक्शन हो। तेणु ऑक्सीजन टार जो ऑक्सीजन गोटे लेवल विषय आम कहबू कौन आपण चिंता करेंगे न करेंगे केते से विषय आमको जो माने आमर अच्छी एक्सपर्ट माने ता भीतर आम प्रथमे जीवु डॉक्टर अग्रवाल जे संजय अग्रवाल, सी निजे पल्मारी विभाग सी निजे यही प्रकार रोगी को डील करती। तेणु सी अच्छी ता छड़ा आम पैनल बहुत भल भल डाक्तर मैंने अच्छा जो मैंने कि आम सबुदिने चिकित्सा करुँच से प्रकार पेसेंट को समस्ते आम आपणकर क्वेश्चन जहाँ पचारे ए आम उत्तर दबू। तेणु मुझे बर्तमान मुझे से डॉक्टर अग्रवाल को रिक्वेस्ट करी सी टिके गोटे ब्रीफली प्रेजेंट करेंगे ऑक्सीजन उपरे, तापर आपण जीवा हमें क्वेश्चन आंसर को पढ़ी। डॉक्टर संजय अग्रवाल।
Dr. Sanjay Agrawal, you are on mute. Dr. Sanjay Agrawal, you are on mute. Would you mind unmute yourself?
Can everybody hear me now?
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you, Basant Bhai. Thank you, Dev Bhai, for giving me the opportunity. And actually, thank you, everybody. Welcome. I will like to talk a little bit about the oxygen saturation, which everybody is talking about. So when you have COVID, Rekha, can you please put up the first slide?
Yes,
So when you have COVID, you will have all those different symptoms. People come with either cough or shortness of breath or headache or loss of vision loss of taste, difficulty breathing, and many other symptoms, diarrhea, vomiting, or they may be asymptomatic. So in the first picture on the right side, as you can see, if you have COVID-19 symptoms, you should check your oxygen level. So because there is a concept of happy hypoxia, you may have oxygen saturation of just about 70%, 80%, but you may feel totally normal. So that's called happy hypoxia and seen very commonly in people with COVID as well. So if you come in contact with somebody who is known to have pneumonia, COVID infection, then you should go get your RT-PCR checked as well. Check your oxygen level, wear a mask, maintain your social distancing, maintain the ventilation in the house, and stay hydrated. So those are some basic things which people need to do. If your oxygen level is 92% or more, most important thing at this time is not to panic. Not to panic, maintain your vital signs records all day long. Sleep in a prone position if you can on the belly side, as you can see from the figure right side. Sleeping on the belly side improves the oxygen level in your body because certain sections of the lungs open up and they allow more oxygenation to happen. And you also want to take some, painkillers rather than more for fevers than for pain. And paracetamol is a very good option. You can also take inhalers like budesonide, which will help you not to cough and recruit some of the lung alveoli, which is opening up the certain sections of the lung to help you breathe. So asymptomatic and symptomatic, either way, you need to quarantine yourself at least for 10 days and prevent the pulmonary hazard. As I said, the pulse oximeter is important. So we'll talk a little bit about as to what does pulse oximeter do, and if your pulse oximeter shows values less than 92%, then what to do in that case. Next slide, please. So what are the signs of low oxygen? So low oxygen is also called hypoxia in medical term. And we will know as to from the oxygen saturation, that's a pulse oximeter is available. That's one of the most crucial part of the COVID management protocol at home. I wish we can have, everybody should have one oximeter, but I'm hearing stories about not having oximeter at home either. So checking the pulse oximeter, the oxygen level is important. That may show 95% or 97%, but there are certain devices I've heard about which are made in different countries, and they may not give you the more stable numbers as we are talking about. So we need to have a good pulse oximeter which can give you good numbers. Apart from pulse oximeter, if not happy hypoxia we mentioned about in the previous slide, there are certain other features where you can look for low oxygen level in the body. How will they present? You may be restless or discomfort feeling. You may have chest pain or tightness in the chest. You're short of breath. You have difficulty breathing, or a cough which gets worse. Or you may have a pulse rate which is really fast. Or you may have, other symptoms like difficulty breathing. So even though these may not be there, as I mentioned, it's a good idea to consult with your doctor or somebody who is knowledgeable in this effort, any healthcare worker who can guide you as to what low oxygen level can do. And if you are on oxygen at home, if the doctor has prescribed an oxygen, no need to panic. We want to make sure that your oxygen saturation target is just about 90-92%. You don't have to reach 98%. You don't have to use oxygen if your oxygen saturation is more than 95%, because oxygen can also be harmful. If Lord Jagannath wanted us to have more oxygen, he would have given it in the air. In the air, whatever we breathe, that has 21% oxygen in that. And that's good enough for our body. So hypothetically, if it's more than 95%, no need to panic, keep a record and talk to your doctor about that. If oxygen saturation is less than 92%, then you can use devices at home which are called oxygen concentrator, which actually uses
something is there.
So oxygen concentrator is the one which uses the same air, God-given air,
ଆପଣ ସବୁ ଠିକରେ
and it is
ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି ଏଇ
taking-
ହଁ ସବୁ ସେ କରୁଛି ବାପା
it will take the oxygen from the air from the oxygen, or from the air. It just takes the air and removes the other components like nitrogen and carbon dioxide and everything else, and concentrates the air, concentrates into just the oxygen is released. So that's called oxygen concentrator. Or you can get the oxygen tanks from which is available as well. So because we have such shortage of oxygen, we can make sure that we can triple or double at least the amount of oxygen which is available by practicing certain strategies. And what are those? You can actually target to 92%, as I said, or you can use oxygen concentrator, which can keep on making oxygen and it doesn't have to be refilled. And you can fix all the leakages. Every connection, there's always a chance of leakage. Studies have shown that up to 25% of oxygen is lost in that. So you want to make sure that all the pipes and connections are very intact. And if you lie on your belly or prone position, which everybody is talking about now, you must have heard the term, that will help decrease the amount of oxygen which you have to take to keep it above 92, about 90 to 92%. And you also want to train the people who are at home or in your wherever facility you are, if you are in, so that they also understand as to how to preserve the oxygen. So in this way, we can prevent the wastage of oxygen and increase our efficiency level. Next slide, please. Next slide, Rashmi. So how do we measure the pulse oximeter? How do we measure the oxygen? And this device is called the pulse oximeter. Now, as I said, I've seen many cases where the pulse oximeter values are not correct. They are wrongly displaying the number of 70%, for example. So there are certain things to follow. One, most important thing is you want to follow your healthcare providers or doctors' advice as to how often should we measure it. If your oxygen level is lying in the lower side, you may be required to measure it more frequently, maybe even continuously if you are in my ICU, but that's a different issue. So we need to know how often do you want to measure? Once a day, 4 times a day, every 2 hours, every 4 hours, and how should we measure it? Number two, you also want to see as to your manufacturer's manual. Sometimes they have some, it's most common, but sometimes they may have a differentiation as to how to use the device. So appropriate use of the device is very important. You need to prepare yourself for getting the measurement. Sit in a comfortable position. Make sure your fingers or toes are in below the heart level, and make sure that your hand is warm, enough perfusion is maintained. Be relaxed and keep your measurement point below the heart. Choose those fingers which have no nail polish or any kind of painting or henna. If you have that, maybe you can remove the fingernail polish, because otherwise the value shown will be wrong. And sit still and don't move around. If you move, then the perfusion may be not be correct, or it may also be the device may move, which may not get the proper reading. And you want to wait for a few seconds at least. Don't be incensed. Make sure that the pulse is constant and make sure the number is more consistent. So that's the way you want to take a pulse oximeter recording. And then you want to keep a record of that. You want to keep a record of the date and the time and the pulse oximeter reading. So you can see as to if your pulse oximeter recording is consistent or is it changing. If it is up or down, then the whole treatment protocols depend on this pulse oximeter recording. If you're advised an oxygen supply, let's say if your oxygen saturation is less than 90%, and Dr. Basant Mahapatra gave you oxygen at home, that can be through oxygen concentrator, or it can be through oxygen tanks. There are many, many modalities out there. So most of the oxygen tanks have liquid oxygen in that. And the oxygen concentrator, as I said, are the ones which make oxygen. Now, these oxygen producing devices, they are very inflammable. So you want to be very careful about using any kind of oxygen product near any open flame or while smoking. But be very careful about not going to the kitchen, for example, or not using the gas lines. Maybe electricity heaters are okay, but you have to maintain your distance and be very, very careful. There are several accidents reported already. You want to place the oxygen concentrator, if that's the one you're using, then the device actually works by concentrating the God-given air, right? So it has to be working efficiently. For that to work efficiently, the motor has to be cool. If it becomes too hot or overheating, then the device failure may happen, and that will lead to false sense of security. You may be breathing something, but the oxygen is not there. And you want to ensure that all the vents on different areas where the air is sucked out or given out, they should be open and functioning pretty okay. And the ventilation should be maintained. You also want to keep on checking the device, all the alarms and pointers, which ensures that the device is working appropriately. Next slide, please.
Mr. Nirakar Samal, he raised his hand, I guess. Do we need to take his question right now regarding oxygen?
Let's wait for the presentation to be over. We can take his questions after.
Let's
Thank you.
finish the presentation first, then we'll take the question.
Thank you.
So how to use the pulse oximeter? I want you to watch this video, very short video, but just it is taken from Medicover hospitals, and I want to just acknowledge that we have taken their device. It's a short video, and I want you to see this. Go ahead, please start this. So all these pulse oximeter devices, they measure the oxygen level present in this hemoglobin, which you're seeing. This is a red blood cells, and these red blood cells have the hemoglobin. So you want to remove the pulse oximeter back cover, put the new batteries in that so they're working. You want to position your finger correctly in the device pointing towards the LED light. Make sure that the nail is on the other side as shown on the diagram. And there are two recordings, the upper recording and the lower recording. The upper one is the oxygen, and the lower one is the heart rate. So if it's between 95 to 100, you're good. No need to panic. Just keep a recording of it. Keep yourself hydrated and live position. If you are less than 95, then we need to know. It's a good thing to take some precautions. Make sure your fingers are warm, as I mentioned. Make sure you want to correctly position your finger in the probe. As I mentioned, make sure you're sitting still and take a recording of that. So just to give you a picture. No nail polish, no tattoos, no henna, etc. Very short video. The next video I'm going to show you is about the oxygen concentrator. For those who know about it, great. Those who don't, please see this video. So these are the oxygen concentrators. They come with all the supplies. Get everything ready. Here she's using the bottled water, but I strongly recommend using a sterile water. If you don't have a sterile water, you can use distilled water in case, because this is the reason why we are having a lot of infections back in it. One of the reasons we are thinking about it. That adds the humidification or water vapor in the air, which you're breathing, and it does not dry out the mucous membranes, the lining of the cells inside the nose and the mouth. And you can dial the amount of oxygen. You bubble it through the water. Put the cannula on your nose around just like she demonstrates. That's a way to keep it. And you can also put a mask on top of it if you need, or use the mask by itself. That's in short about the oxygen concentrators. So how do we, as I mentioned a few slides ago, that we want to maximize our utilization of oxygen. So to conserve oxygen, your target should not be 98% and above. You should target something about 92 to 94%. And if you can use some kind of reservoir mechanism, something which hangs in front, which collects the oxygen, it increases your amount of oxygen delivery inside the body. And there are certain things which we call this pendant or mustache-like thing we call like present. It looks ugly, but it actually helps you increase your oxygen delivery. Or you can use your mask instead of the nasal cannula. You can use a mask also, which might increase the concentration of the oxygen and decrease the oxygen.
Sanjay, you are mute. Sanjay.
Oh, sorry about that. An oxygen supply can also be given to using a divider or connector. You can use the same oxygen supply to multiple people if needed. These slides are taken from CHEST, CHEST, that's a national organization I want to acknowledge. And next slide, please. Vasant Bhai, you want to take over?
Okay, thank you, Sanjay. It was a very nice, briefly presentation. Sanjay, Mukhali, Sanjay, jehetu he spoke everything in English. I'll just make a briefly. Se kon kala jodi Odisha re lokmane shunutebe. Sanjay, say basically kon habo apan ko oxygen level ketere we should be already. So mane achi jodi 95 upru thiba apan oxygen jodi pulse dekhile apan worried hobar beshi nahi. 95 94 तळକୁ आसिला अप टू 92 तेणु आपण टिकोरी हेबे कोन करिवे सेठी संगे संगे डॉक्टर डाकिया दरकार नै आमे कहया कथा डीप ब्रीथिंग एक्सरसाइज करिए ब्रीथिंग टेक ए डीप ब्रेथ होल्ड इट तापर जो डॉक्टर अग्रवाल कहले पेटो माडी की देई सोइबे छाती रे तकिया देई सोइबे टिके समय एमती करिए चला बुला करिए सो ट्राई टू स्टे फिट तापरे केते जण भी डाक्टर भी आपण देखिथिबे मते जणे आर्थर क्वेश्चन पचारथला मु परे 6 मिनिट वॉक टेस्ट कोन हमें सेटा परे कहबा एई जिंस करे जते 92 रु कमिला 90 आफ्टर 90 बिलो आम हॉस्पिटल मु जो करछि 92 रे हमें देख दउछु वेट करछु ब्रीथिंग एक्सरसाइज करछु 90 तक आसिले वी मस्ट पुट देम ऑन ऑक्सीजन आ वी आमे तांको ऑक्सीमीटर दे कंटीन्यूअस मॉनिटर करछु एति तेणु ओरिड हबार किछ नै जो हैप्पी हाइपोक्सिया बा तामे कहिले डॉक्टर और के जण ता कोन साइलेंट हाइपोक्सिया साइलेंट जणे बाबू क्वेश्चन पचार चंती हमको हाउ ए पर्सन नो ही हैज हैप्पी हाइपोक्सिया से कहिले माने जते हाइपोक्सिया बा आपण जदी से सिम्पटम आसीबा कथा नॉर्मली जदी इन शॉर्ट ऑफ ब्रेथ हैला जो न पारले जनकर ऑक्सीजन लेवल बहुत लो ही इज वॉकिंग अराउंड इन रहजी सेटा कहती साइलेंट हाइपोक्सिया तेणु वर्तमान मु कहिबी हमर जणे क्वेश्चन पचार चंती निराकार बाबू आपण प्लीज कम ऑन लाइन टू आस्क द क्वेश्चन Nirakar Babu, you are on mute. Nirakar Samal.
Can we go to the question and answer? Then we can ask them to ask question.
He's already raising. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah. So we have already few questions. Mu padai bhi question. Acha. Then let's go to questions.
Next slide. Rashmi, if you have finished presentation, Rashmi, go to the next slide.
Yeah.
Next slide.
अच्छा इस स्लाइड रे देवासी वांट गो और
No, तुम कर दो.
देवासी जो ए स्लाइड रे मोस्टली हमें देखु चुकम कि चिल्ड्रन केमिति अफेक्टेड होछ हम जन पीडियाट्रिक डॉक्टर आसीबार थिला लंडन रु से तांकर इमरजेंसी पड़ी गला ई सेंड दिस से कोन होछ आपण में जानि थिबे जे प्रथम वेव रे समस्त कहले पिला माने स्कूल खोली गले किछ असुविधा नाही का पिला को ए वायरस अफेक्ट करेनी किछ नाही सो मोस्टली एडल्ट माने हमक सब नवा पड़ला सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग मास्क एवरीथिंग किंतु से माने पिला माने हाथ ये करी स्कूल ले रहिले डिस्टेंस नहीं किंतु ए सेकंड वेव जो नुआ वायरस आसिला म्यूटेंट वायरस लुक्स लाइक ये चिल्ड्रन मान को बहुत अफेक्ट करछ आ चिल्ड्रन मान को भीतर भी जो इवन 45 यंग ओल्डर तळ को बहुत लोक अफेक्ट होছে ए जो नुआ वायरस तेन से पिला मान पई कोन से विषय सिलेक्शन थी जे जते बेले क्वेश्चन हला व्हाई आर चिल्ड्रन गेटिंग मोर अफेक्टेड दिस टाइम मु जो कहली ए जो नुआ वायरस नुआ म्यूटेंट वायरस से मोस्टली चिल्ड्रन को जाउची बिकॉज़ यू नो वी डोंट नो चिल्ड्रन कर हमें प्रथम वायरस कोना म्यूटेशन दे कैन चेंज एनीथिंग the children having fever why if child having fever how early should do the covid test I think prathame immediate covid test nakari ame 2-3 दिन अपेक्षा करी we can do it देखिया पर की fever ही पारे but as soon as fever आसिला तमे immediately भाबियो जे covid कला परे तापरे से जो टेस्टा करा जीवो टेस्ट केवल चिल्ड्रेन नुह ता सराउंडिंग फैमिली सब भी करिया पड़िबो तापर लेक्चन जे हमर जो फीवर हैला एडमिट माय चाइल्ड with fever and RT-PCR positive no कारण आमे जहाँ देखाई 85% रु ना अधिका लोक माने घरे चिकित्सा पाई परिबे इवन टिके फीवर हेले भी ये तेनु समस्त घरे जेमति कहले डॉक्टर अग्रवाल must have a pulse oximeter even छुआंकर भी देखा पड़े adult are role models all parents practice your practice kids will be same okay so vaccinated 2 doses should I wear mask well एटा को अबिका दैट्स स्टिल डिबेटेबल से डिबेट ऊपर आमे कहि परमु तम लोकल एरिया देखिकरी जदी सीडीसी मना करछि को एरिया रे यू डोंट हैव टू but it depends so सेटा we cannot give a concrete je kar so these are the so most important is a will both me and my wife covid positive can I send away both my children to relative house no you don't have to तमे जदी हस्बैंड वाइफ पॉजिटिव तम भाबिया दरकार चिल्ड्रेन भी पॉजिटिव हेते चिल्ड्रेन आपण पठे देबे अलगा हाउस को से दे मे स्प्रेड द वायरस करि पारेन त चिल्ड्रेन रहिबे आपण पूरा मास दे समस्त रहिबे आ जते मेंटेन करि पारिबे तापर यू हैव चिल्ड्रेन को भी टेस्ट करिवे हम फैमिली we are family of 7 and 3 of us positive can rest asymptomatic members go out of house after 3 days I don't think so we should not allow you have to at least maintain 14 days 10 to 14 days you have to maintain kahasa misweni may carry the virus asymptomatic when the vaccine will be available for children eta asuchi different countries India re heni USA re helani and so most important is SMS sanitize the hand mask always social distancing is a very good slide by Robin Mahanti our pediatrician and I thank him we can go to the question Devasis
Yeah, the next slide.
Oh, we have another slide. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, Dr. Subhashish Mishra, one of our member here, please chip in. Thank you.
Again, thank you to everyone and namaskar. बहुत बढ़िया सेशन रहा डॉक्टर संजय अग्रवाल आपण बहुत बढ़िया कहले बहुत प्रैक्टिकल टिप्स देले जोटा कि साधारण लोकन को तांका घरे सुविधा हबो जानिया पई व्यस्त हेबेनी पैनिक हेबेनी जे जदी भी टिके ऑक्सीजन कमिला जदी दिह भल लागुनी जेमती बसंत भाई एठी कहले सांगे सांग हॉस्पिटल जिबा दरकार नै आगो देखंतु निजर पल्स ऑक्सीमेट्री देखिबे मापिबे तापरे जदी गोटे लेवल टू कमिले आपण डॉक्टर को इन्फॉर्म करिवे सेटा बहुत बढ़िया कहले आ बहुत प्रैक्टिकल टिप्स की केमिति ऑक्सीजन कंसंट्रेटर केमिति यूज करा जिवो तार कोन साइड इफेक्ट होई परिबो केमिति प्रॉब्लम होई परिबो एटा हमें समस्त को जणैबु एटा हमर फेसबुक रे भी रिकॉर्डिंग होची सो परे अन्य माने भी देखि परिबे आसंता सप्ताह रे हमर फोकस रहइबो नेक्स्ट हमें जाउचु जे कोन करले वैक्सीन किए पाई परिबो के नबा उचित के नबा कथा नुए केते मिथ्स अछि वैक्सीन पई जेते लोक वैक्सीन नेबे हमें जानिचु तो हम फोकस हबो रिगार्डिंग वैक्सीन्स आ व्हाई मी लोक जो पचरंती हमें काहे कि नबु वैक्सीन्स तार गुरुत्वटा कोन वैक्सीन्स रो सेही ऊपर हमें चर्चा करिबा आ मु एठी बहुत जण अछंती आ एटा ओसार हेल्थ एंड वेलनेस ग्रुप has played a major role under the leadership of Dr. Devashish Ray, Dr. Basant Mahapatra, Miss Rasmi Rajguru, she is integral to a program ku career. I also want to thank je Odisha re jo doctor mane achanti एते असुविधा समय रे भी आपण माने निज फैमिली को देखुचंती बाहर लोकन भी देखुचंती कोटि कोटि धन्यवाद आपण माननकु आ आल्सो नॉन मेडिकल लोक जो माने भी एठी आज जॉइन करचंती जत्ते लोक जानिबे आमे कोन करिया चाहूचु ओडिसा रे कोन दरकार जत्ते आमे भलो मेसेज टाकू आमे अन्य मानन को कहि परिबा समस्त के पई बहुत सुविधा हबो सो बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आसंता शनिवार पुनी 12टा बेलो हमर टाइम रे आउथरे देखा हबो
Thank you Subhashish very much आमे से जो सुभाषिष मिश्र जहा कहले ओडिसा कथा कहले वर्तमान ओडिसा रे ग्राउंड रियलिटी ऊपरे आमे वर्तमान आम संगे अछंती डॉक्टर चंदन गंतायत मु तांको ब्रीफली कपल मिनिट्स से कोविड वार्ड एबे ड्यूटी आईसीयू रे करथिले से असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर मेडिसिन अछंती डॉक्टर गंतायत कैन यू से विद इन ए मिनिट फ्यू सेकंड
सर्वप्रथम समस्त को धन्यवाद देवी मते बसंत सर को भी धन्यवाद से मते ई प्रोग्राम रे जोड़ी थिबारो बहुत किछि जिंस सीनियर मानन को देखिबा को मिलला किछिटा प्रैक्टिकल जिंस जोटा हमें एक्सपीरियंस करिछु कोविड हॉस्पिटल रे ड्यूटी कला बेले ता देखुछु जे बहुत गुड़ा लोक दी चारटा पॉइंट मु कहबी फर्स्ट पॉइंट रे मु कहब चाहिबी जे जहाँ सार कहले जे सैचुरेशन 92 रु 94 एई रेंज रे थिला हॉस्पिटल को से माने दौड़ी की पळे आछंती we got we made admission for them, we arranged a bed for them, and tapare ame dekhuchu ki immediately within 1 hour or 2 hours, and so the saturation is around 95 96 or maybe 98 also. So ame panic kita ko avoid kariba jo dara ki jo mane actually needy oxygen ro se mane बेड पाई परिबे. एंजाइटी टेम्परेचर जोटा अधिकार रहउची किबा जतो एंजाइटी रहउची सेतो भी सैचुरेशन दी कम जाउची तो सेतो पई जतो सैचुरेशन कम रहउची वी विल टेक रेस्ट एंड विल रीअश्योर आवरसेल्फ एंड आप किसी रेस्ट नेला पर पुणी थरा हमें चेक करबा सेटा गोटे कथा. सेकेंड रे गोटे कथा होची जो माने होम आइसोलेशन रे पेशेंट्स अछंती आ सैचुरेशन जो मानकर 92 रु 94 और दोज हु आर इन द हैप्पी हाइपोक्सिया रेंज से मान को पई दी चारटा एडवाइस हमें जहां प्रैक्टिकली फील करछु दवा पे चाहिबी. गोटे होची सडनली जेतले बाथरूम रु जाय के आसला पर हमें देखुचे कि टॉयलेट रु जाय के आसला पर पेशेंट मानकर सैचुरेशन कम होची तो सही पेशेंट मान को पई बेटर कि वी अरेंज जदी ओल्डर इंडिविजुअल्स अछंती किसी कोमोर्बिडिटीज अछि साइड रे किछटा अरेंजमेंट कर परे जेमति कि बेड पान एंड ऑल. आउ सेकेंड जिंस हमें देखुचे प्रोनिंग पोजीशन टा जोटा होची ताको एप्रोप्रिएटली लोक जानि पारनांती को पोजीशन टा को प्रोनिंग को आ जाय. ओबेस इंडिविजुअल जो मान अछंती से मान पई प्रोनिंग हेई पारनी तो से मान को पई जोटा टिल्ट बेड पोजीशन जोटा हमें कहचे कि 45 डिग्री रे बेंड करके गोड़ तळे दिटा तकिया देके सही पोजीशन रे भी हमें से मान को एडवाइस कर परिया. थर्ड जिंस मु कहूची जोटा राती बेले जो मॉनिटरिंग टा हमें बहुत टाइम रे हमें देखिथिलो हॉस्पिटल रे जोटा नॉन आईसीयू बा हाई डिपेंडेंट यूनिट रो आईसीयू को बहुत सारा कॉल आसे राती रे सैचुरेशन कम जाए एट मिडनाइट अराउंड 1 o'clock or 1 to 3 o'clock many patients they desaturate. Maybe the reason is that sympathetic tone decreases during that time, or some people may be having sleep apnea, or after a large meal we can get these things. So ei di tinta jinso mu add kariya pai chahili. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद मते जोड़ी थिबारु. आउ आपण मान समस्त बाकी बहुत सुंदर जिनस कहिसंती निश्चय समस्त जो माने भी देखिछन समस्त पे बहुत हेल्पफुल हो. थैंक यू.
बहुत धन्यवाद चंदन तमे आसी बरहमपुर एमकेसी जो जॉइन करचंती बहुत धन्यवाद. से एबे भी तांकर कोविड ड्यूटी सारे आछंती आ तापरे आमे जिबा वर्तमान हमर जेहेतु क्वेश्चन आंसर सेशन आमे रियली आरंभ करबा. एइटू प्रथमे निराकार सामल आउ थर मु ताऊ डाकुची से निराकार वो अछंती की निराकार सामल आर यू म्यूट कैन यू अनम्यूट निराकार बाबू अनम्यूट. अच्छा अच्छा मु केतुडा क्वेश्चन मते आ भीतर आस जाईची मु पढुची हाल के हां
she raised her hand and also Khandet. So maybe
Subilani, you are not clear. You are breaking, Rasmi. You are breaking. You can't hear you.
that's why it's conflicting.
हाँ कौन कहलो आपटे सुबुनी काई क्लियर होनी. अच्छा ताके क्वेश्चन ता मते पठे दियो मु आ गुटे क्वेश्चन आ भीतर आसी मु पढी दउची. अच्छा मु पैनल को जीबी. गोटे होची माय हस्बैंड हैज कोविड एंड तार टिके फीवर रहउची ही इज ब्रीथिंग लिटिल फास्टर किंतु आउ किछि सिम्पटम नै अल्प माइल्ड फीवर रहउची आ मु एम आई बी वरीड व्हाट शुड आई डू ता पाखरे आई डोंट हैव पल्स ऑक्सीमीटर तेनु एटा को डॉक्टर अतसु नायक कैन यू आंसर दिस.
Yes. Thank you, Vasant bhai. I think the first thing is, if husband COVID heiji, wife has to take all the precautions. Number one is husband has to wear mask and wife has to wear mask. That is number one. Number two, there is a pulse oximeter and the thermometer, and monitor the saturation at least every 4 hours. Then number three, तांकु माने जो लोकल डॉक्टर जने जे अछंती तांकु कांटेक्ट करबा दरकार. एटलीस्ट टेल लोकल डॉक्टर संग लोकल फिजिशियन की घर फैमिली फिजिशियन तांकु कांटेक्ट करी की प्रोग्रेस सो जस्ट कम्युनिकेट की कोन चाली ची कोन होउची. आ छोडा देयर आर सम medication. So Odisha re mu sunuchi Odisha re like mane 20 to 20 কিন্তু মেডিকেশন কোনছি আরম্ভ করিবে মোস্ট ইম্পর্টান্ট থিং হচ্ছে তাଙ୍କୁ মানে ওয়েল হাইড্রেট পানি মানে পানি পিবা দরকার কি বেসিক্যালি ইউ নো food, good sleep, monitor the saturation, and wait for few days. The temperature coming, if he feels better, then nothing to be worried. Kintu jadi if he is not doing well, like his oxygen saturation, as we discussed already, goes down below 94% or something, then you need to have blood test and other other medications depending on your doctors. What we don't want to go into the therapeutics, but these are the minimum things you have to do. Most important thing, isolate him, and also if you can isolate yourself, that is good, and wear the mask and monitor the pulse oximeter, monitor the temperature, monitor symptoms. I'm to advise to let him sleep in the prone position and all these things. And most important, contact your local doctor if you can, so that you can communicate the situation, condition to him and follow their advice.
Thank you, Atosu. When her question was, am I worried? So my answer will be, you will be worried, but you will not be panicky. प्रथम असुविधा होची लोकंग पैनिक हे हम किछ कर परन ए जिंस तापरे अच्छा निराकार बाबूकर क्वेश्चन पचारिबे निराकार बाबू आई एम हियरिंग सम टाइम बट ना ठीक अछि हमें जिबा तापरे जने पचारछंती is it a must for us everybody to have a pulse oximeter at home? Dr. Vijay Thomas, are you able to take this question?
Yes, yeah. Thing is, I think pulse ox is one of the most important tools to monitor the oxygen. And without that, like the first question was, my husband is breathing fast. I don't have a pulse ox. He may be breathing fast because he's either low on oxygen or he's anxious. So if he's anxious and his pulse ox is 98, that's a good sign, okay? But if he is breathing fast and he is 90, 91, we need to kind of act fast on it. So I think, I know pulse ox is hard to get, but there's a lot of neighbors and friends who might have a pulse ox. So it's easy to call somebody and say, hey, could we borrow your pulse ox, for a short time? So that actually, it's one of the most important tools. I think it's more important than even doing any blood work and all, because like in this pandemic, it's hard to find, places to do blood tests. Even it's hard to get any CAT scans. It's not recommended. So I think the easiest tool to have is a pulse ox. Yeah.
Okay. So we have a lot of questions. Let's keep our answers brief as possible. So is there Dr. Thomas kon कहले कि yes समस्ते घरे रखिबा उचित पल्स ऑक्सीमीटर गोटे गोटे I mean जेमति आपण घरे अछि थर्मोमीटर सेमति रखिया उचित जदि दरकार नै आपण इवन नेबर ठाउ मु गोटे एग्जांपल दोस मोर निज सळा तार झियर एबे हेतिला कोविड से मते कास होची मु कहले पल्स ऑक्सीमीटर ना हम घर नाही सो ता ऊपर घर आनी देखला परे मु देखिले सो वी मस्ट हैव दिस ए वेरी इंपोर्टेंट टूल अच्छा तापरे आ गोटे क्वेश्चन एबे आछि जे please reflect on SpO2 reading on chronic asthma and COPD. What is the threshold reading in this group people? Suchi Swai पठेइचंती amara ye achanti Dr. Agarwal, can you take this question, Sanjay?
Yeah, Suchi ma'am, willing to
Please.
answer question.
Hi.
Can you come? Can
yeah, I'm online now. Thank you for the informative session. I would say question ta thila ki amo ghare bi mane bahut relative mankar COPD achi, and when they measure SpO2 tankara 90-91 they get panic. So seita par tike reflect karchile ki what is the threshold, it will be helpful. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Smai. So basically, thank you, Dr. Mahapatra. Basically, oxygen saturation is affected when you have COPD or asthma. In general, also without COVID times, we will always ask people with COPD and asthma not to panic, not to worry too much about it. Do some pursed lip breathing, which means that you purse your lips And slowly, pursed-lip breathing, and you do some breathing exercises, and not to panic, close your eyes, get your mind off the surroundings, and shoot for just about 92%, not 95, 98%. Anxiety sets in if you're not able to breathe. And if your breathing rate is more than 20, generally we take that as threshold. Sometimes even 25 is okay, but nothing is absolute in medicine, but we need to look for overall presentation for the patient. So I think if the oxygen saturation is 92%, and the heart and the breathing rate is less than 20, I would not worry too much about it, just to take precautions.
Thank you, Sanjay. So usually am COVID रे am देखा जाइची जो मानकर समस्त भावुतबे जे जहार आजमा अछि सीओपीडी अछि सेमानकर very high risk. Actually आमे देखिचु जना पड़छि तांकर risk is normal like anybody. Yes, these people ए जो COPD लोक माने really they सेमान used to अल्प ऑक्सीजन रे they used to live. तेणु आम कौन सी फाइंडिंग रे स्टडी रे दे पाइना जे जेमती हार्ट डिजीज आपण ब्लड प्रेशर डायबिटीज ओबेसिटी और इम्यून जहार इम्यूनिटी कम अछि तांकर जो माने बेसी मोर्टिलिटी होउची सीओपीडी आजमा वाला एते हुएनी. There are a lot of factors may be there, but yes, thank you Sanjay saying that से कहउचन जदी दर सीओपीडी आपण 90 91 रे रहिचंती सब बेले. They say if he drops 3% up to 3% or more, then you should be concerned. That's one of the CDC amar eti kaichanti. But very good, Dr. Agarwal. So amuku jane au jane question pacharibe Ashok Khandelwal. Can you ask your question live?
Yeah, thanks. This is really good session. Actually, my mom, she Katak re, she naichanti COVID seal. I think 20-30 days heglane ebe. But now I think recent rule change and vaccine shortage days, you can wait for 2-3 months. So my question was like, what is the risk now with one vaccine? Is it like fully covered? I know it's not fully covered, but I just want to understand, can we wait or try to get this vaccine as soon as possible?
Okay. Ita कोडिए ये कोचन इंडिया रे अछंती आपण
हां से कटक रे नेचंती एंड सी 70 प्लस विथ सी हैविंग
एबे अशोक बाबू एबे जा देखिली म कहि दो छे आंसर क्वेश्चन दा आंसर कोइ दउची एबे वर्तमान देखा जो से माने एक्सटेंड करचंती 12 टू बदे 16 के गला दि दिन तळे से एक्सटेंड करचंती हमर सेटिकार एपिडेमियोलॉजी सब आईडी माने करचन जे तमे आर भितरे नेले ठीक अछि तेनु जेतु वैक्सीन शॉर्टेज एंड सेमान देखिलेनी जे आमे कोन प्रथम डोज जेति की बॉडी रे इम्यूनिटी हुए क्रिएट हुए आउ गुडा एटा बूस्टर देले आउ गुडा एक्स्ट्रा इम्यूनिटी क्रिएट हुए आउ अधिका हुए तेनु सेमान भाबचन 12 टू बदे 12 टू 16 केमति करचन मुहे जानली आपण लोकली देखंतु यस इट इज दे मस्ट टेक मु एति कहबी सेकंड डोज निश्चय नेबे मोटे करिवेनी as soon as vaccine available upon nebe acha how clear go ahead I would a question achi eta hochi me seta bote cover korchi is there any breathing exercises good for covid people am clearly asini kon seta any breathing exercises anybody can take it. Is Julie Swain? Are you around? Julie Swain? Dr. Julie Swain? Or can you take it briefly?
Yeah, actually, so breathing exercise, any breathing exercise is good, but usually what I have seen in Ramdev breathing exercise, like the pranayam and all, if you can do that 15 to 20 minutes, that will be the best. So I have seen a lot of people in India and also a lot of people in USA. They have been doing this breathing exercise and it's very good. But any kind of breathing exercise will be good. That will expand the lungs and that is much better. So any yeah.
I want to add something.
Hold on. आज ICU डॉक्टर आमे कोन करू आमे या करू जो कोनती रिक्रूटमेंट आमे जो सेल गुडा हमर alveolar जो लंग्स से सेल गुडा तो एक्सपांड करियो कि आमे कोन करू ब्रीथिंग जोर जाऊ देई ताक होल्ड करू तेन मु प्रथमे जो कहली आपण जे ब्रीथिंग असे वन ऑफ द इंपोर्टेंट एक्सरसाइज होची take a deep breath, hold it few seconds, then slowly breathe out, which is a part of pranayam. Our pranayam be achi seda. Now go ahead. Who somebody was speaking? Please go ahead.
Basant bhai, this is Bhagyeshri. Sorry, there is
May I add something?
Yes.
See, it is the 4 types of breathing exercises are suggested.
Okay.
Number 1, you just take breath and make your abdomen contracted behind, go behind. So the diaphragm will go up. Like then you jerk it. So you repeat it up to 10 to 20 times. This is one. Second one is Anulom Vilom. To take the breath through one nostril and then pass it through the other nostril and repeat it for 10 to 20 times. Third is you have to, as you have told already, you take deep breath, hold it, and suddenly breathe out. And fourth is chanting Om. Chanting Om is also good, respiratory exercise which we can take up.
Thank you very much. And really एगुड़ा सब classical pranayam जो अतुसु कहला जो Ramdev pranayam, everything there. This is not only for COVID, this is for everybody, even healthy people करे उचित. अच्छा भाग्यश्री, please go.
I wanted to mention the UK रे जो nice guideline कि globally also there's something called ACBT, active cycle of breathing technique. So that is jota abe sir आपण कहले that that's I think the medical terminology jota same आपण जो कहले inspiration करकी hold करकी then you have to exhale. So if you put ACBT, active cycle of breathing technique, and also if you want to use some breathing exercise device like incentive spirometry that gives you a very objective measure of how your inspiration and breathing value or effectiveness is improving. So 2 things can be is widely used at the moment for the COVID or even in normal cases.
Very good. Thank you very much. And there is another question. I think we covered at what pulse ox level will be worried. Anybody, Devasis, can you take?
Pulse ox, yeah, I would rather have Jyoti Lenka, who is a pulmonary and critical care fellow also.
Oh, very good.
Jyoti, can you come in the video?
Yeah, Jyoti, yeah, can you take Jyoti?
Yes, I can.
Jyoti, you have to unmute.
Jyoti,
Hello, is it?
your voice is a little bit hanging. Can you talk again?
No, Jyoti Lanka
Yes,
should
can everybody
unmute.
hear?
Yes, better now, Good.
I'm on a different device for audio and video. I'm sorry.
Okay.
So namaskar everyone. जो question टा पचारले कि what pulse oximeter value, गोटे हला general pulse oximeter value, गोटे हला for some special situation, special population. आमे प्राय से कथरा discuss करी सारी चे आजी starting रे, किंतु just to remind everyone, usually 92 and below is where the concern starts for general population. माने आमे normal healthy, otherwise healthy लोगों का प्राय 94 and above हवा कथा ता तोड़ू को आसिले concern है हुए, and below 92 is concerning to require additional supplemental oxygen and workup for evaluation and hospitalization. Kintu the only caveat is ame jeta agote katha कहले कि जदि they have chronic lung disease ଆମ body कौन करे कि ଆମ body से low level oxygen को टिके ये हे जाए adjusted हे जाए, and therefore प्राय the people live in low 90s, 91 92 तांका normal थाए, तांको पाई below 88 is more concerning. Anything from 88 to 92 may not be that concerning if their symptoms are not that aggravated. Agote kotha hela, no, don't always go by just pulse oximetry.
Jyoti,
Yes, it is the most.
Can you talk in? Can you see if you can speak in Odia a little bit? I'm Odisha to be look if you can, whatever.
Nischay, nischay मुके best जानी पालेनी. निश्चय तो सेठ पाई for general population आमे प्राय almost 92 and above is most important. 92 below है concerning. Our COPD, asthma, chronic lung disease, माने जहाँ lung रे issue अच्छी आगुरु, तांको पाई below 88 तोड़ू को आसिले concerning. आउ गोटे कथा बने रखिबे, just not the खाली number टा नु है important, respiratory rate टा भी important अच्छी, कहेंगे ना केबे केबे हम body starts हमें जल्दी breathe करिबा, rapid breathe करिबा आरंभ कर दउ to compensate oxygen. जदि मोर level आजी 85 तळु आसी जिवो, मो body चेष्टा करिबो कि मो बेसी निश्वास निए ताकि मोर आसी जाऊ 90 above point से इतपाई it is the number and also the symptom दीटा जाको देखी करी साथी रे
Yes, very good. Thank you very much, Jyoti, and very well answered. तेणु आमर आ गोटे क्वेश्चन है आई थिंक से आमे से बडा सो करि या इज पल्सक्स हां एटा पजे इज पल्सक्स में रीडिंग ऑलवेज एक्यूरेट ना एटा आमे आंसर ऑलरेडी जा आमर कहिचंती संजय अग्रवाल अच्छा मो पाखरे आपण देखुचन जे मो गोटे पल्सक्सीमीटर अछि मो पाखरे मु देखे आनिची तेणु सेटारे कोन अछि कि प्रथमे देखिबे से कहले आउथरे मु कहि दउची आंगुठीटा पूरा उषुम हवा दरकार जदी ठंडा आंगुठी रहइबो आपण भेसेल गुडा कंस्ट्रिक्ट हबो पल्सक्सीमीटर केमिति आसे कि ना आपण ब्लड फ्लो जद न हबो एटा किछि पिकअप करबेनी ऑक्सीजन तेणु आपण धरी गोटे आंगुठी लगेले जदे आसिला 80 85 in that's not the final you should change multiple both hand also again you can use your toes also make sure it is warm also you know we can use you can see in my earlobe we can put earlobe is there is a blood flow there is a pulse you can do the multiple लगेबे 2-3 मिनिट तापे स्पेंड करिवे देखिबे जे कोन पल्स ऑक्सीमीटर तापरे यू कैन डू इट तापरे दे गोटे कथा अछि जो कहिथिले अग्रवाल संजय जे एमती सबु जिंसर अछि लिमिट जब जल बिहुने सृष्टिनाश जल गहळे सृष्टिनाश तो ऑक्सीजन गोटे भगवान करिसंती एई जदी 92 रु दर 94 आमे कहउछु 92 रु 96-7 रहिला that's good आमे किछि असुवे नै बुझिले कि किछि दरकार नै बट यू कैन कंटिन्यू ब्रीथिंग एक्सरसाइज सो आमे कंसर्न हो जेमती डॉक्टर लेंका कहले आमे जे 92 रु खसिला कंसर्न तेणु दिस इज द वे टू डू पल्स ऑक्सीजन तापरे एटा देखंतु एमिति आंगुठी पुरेले हबो you can do like this okay either way a light ta thibo ei jo light ethi dekhuchen na ethi light अछि red light रहला जदी nail polish थिबो your finger must be clean प्रथम warm and clean जदी किछि लागि थबो काडी की कोन असुविधा जदी nail polish किबा जदी ना you know artificial nail थिबो it may not give what you can do instead of putting like this you can do like this side way you can do it can you see everybody देखिलो side way भी कर परिबो तमे एटा सीधा फ्लैट दरकार नै यू कैन डू ए डिफरेंट वे तमे मैपेयर बट अगेन पल्स ऑक्सीमीटर इज या गो अहेड वी हैव ए क्वेश्चन रश्मि यू हैव ए क्वेश्चन
अछि मु कोच भी
पढ़ दे हां
give me 1 second here
send me sorry I don't
send you okay
yeah you am ready Aryan Abhijit Swai I would like to ask Mr. Sanjay Agarwal if there would be a rotation of the pulse oximeter as said like in buildings or complex, is there a chance of getting COVID? Is Abhijit Swai here? Aryan Abhijit Swai, are you here?
Yes, I am present.
Can you explain your question?
Video, can you come to the video and explain your question?
Explain your question. Is there a, what do you mean by rotation of pulse oximeter?
So can I'll take that.
No, I understand the question. He's saying that when you share pulse ox, I'm going to share the COVID. So what we're seeing is they say it's more of an aerosol transmission. So, you know, through hand transmission or maybe touching objects, the chance of getting COVID is 1 in 10,000. But the key is when you share the pulse ox, make sure you wear your mask. So if you're well masked, there's no chance of getting it. So you can share the pulse ox. You can wipe it down with alcohol if you want. But definitely, I don't think just touching it. But always take precautions. It's always good to kind of wipe down things if you have an alcohol swab or something.
I mean, best is if you do anything, you touch somebody, you first wash your hand. Forget pulse ox. I'll not clean pulse ox with alcohol. I'll first clean my hand. If you got so that's where it goes. You know, like Thomas said, Bija said low, but yes, you got to do. So that's okay. What is your next question? But
how a person knows he or she has fully recovered from COVID pneumonia?
Who can take it? Anybody?
Jyoti has answered. Jyoti Lenka, if she wants to respond.
Can you take it?
Yeah, I can.
Oh, Dr. Sadik bhi achanti. Next question I'll give to Dr. Sadik. Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, so most importantly ame kemi janiba ame recover kari jaiche. It depends on dita jinso gote hela ki ame symptom achi ki symptom nahi. जदि सिम्पटम अच्छी तो मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट हला सिम्पटम रेजोल्यूशन सिम्पटम्स जबे सरी जीव समस्त भल लागिबो ज्वर सरी गला सो थ्रोट सरी गला तापरे ब्रीदिंग बेटर हे गला बॉडी हेडेक सरी गला तो मोस्ट लाइकली रिकवरी हे जाइछि. इट यूजुअली जो डिजीज रो हमर कोर्स था एटा भीतर नहीं आसीबी. डिजीज रो कोर्स था कि जो दिन एक्सपोजर हेला तार प्राय डे 7 रे सिम्पटम 5 to 7 रे डे सिम्पटम आसीबा आरंभ करे तापरे सिम्पटम जोड़ाक बढ़िबो प्राय फर्स्ट वीक रे एंड डे 7 to 10 ऑफ सिम्पटम्स रे प्राय पीक सिम्पटम्स आसी जाए. हाईएस्ट फीवर बेसी बॉडी पेन बेसी सोर थ्रोट तापर वीक टा हेला द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट वीक आमर फॉलो अप करिबा पई दैट इज द सेकंड वीक ऑफ इलनेस. से वीक रे मैक्सिमम समस्तंकर बॉडी निजे निजे इम्यूनिटी जनरेट करिकिरी ठीक हे जानती ज्वरटा कमी कमी चले सो थ्रोट जो थाए जो गले रे खराश रा कमी कमी चले तापरे हेडेक टा कमी जाए किंतु तापरे मोस्ट लाइकली डे 14-15 रे रिकवरी पूरा हे जाए थाए प्राय समस्त जहार इम्यूनिटी भलो अछि. ता सहित बॉडी रे जो वीकनेस ता थाए सेटा टिके लंबा चलिबो. पीपल कैन फील वीकनेस फॉर एटलीस्ट अ मंथ समटाइम्स बिकॉज द वायरस रियली माने आम बॉडी मसल जरा को बहुत एकीनेस था सेटा टिके प्राय लेट जाई पारे बट दैट डज नॉट मीन कि आमे सेटा को इम्यूनिटी जनरेट करिना है तो सेस पय सेकंड वीक रे हे जाय थाए. किंतु किछि किछि जो हमर 15% पॉपुलेशन जहार सिवियर इलनेस हे जाउची से सेकंड वीक टारे दे विल बिकम मोर सिक ताकर सिम्पटम बढ़ी जीवो एंड देन तांकर टिके प्रोलॉन्ग्ड इलनेस हबो 3 वीक्स की 4 वीक्स पय दे विल कम टू द हॉस्पिटल एडमिट हेबे से अलगा. आउ गोटे इंपोर्टेंट हला जदी हमें एसिम्पटोमेटिक अच्छा हमें केमी जानिबा हमें रिकवर करि जाइछे सेत पय मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट हला ड्यूरेशन खाली मन रखिबा पय जे सेम फ्लो 10 to 14 days रे प्राय समस्त रिकवर हे जानती. तो जो दिन हमर एक्सपोजर हे छि कि हमें टेस्ट करे छि तादरो हमें जदी 2 वीक पे निजे को दूर को रखिबा तापर हमें सेफ अच्छे कि हमें we come back to our family we can merge and mingle.
Thank you very much. And my next question.
Listen, Dr. Basanta, let me explain you things. This is the whether the patient has fully recovered from the, I don't know about how they patient come to know they're fully recovered from the COVID or not. It's very, very difficult to say that he is fully recovered. Oh yes, she was saying, Jyoti was saying that it is clinically you can recover. And by investigation, you come to know after 14 days whether you are negative or not. So that's the thing is that after 14 days, all the patient, when they should do a test, COVID test, that whether negative, because we have found some of the patients, the COVID tab is positive till 3 months. Even the 3 to 4 months, they have positive. And their symptoms remain persisting for 3 to 4 months. So we need to be sure that whether you are correlated with the investigation with the sign and symptoms or not. So I think that is the best thing to do. If he is come out from the sign and symptoms and he is feeling better, no fever, no temperature, no cough, and no breathless, no fatigability, I think that is the best sign the patient has come out. But at the same time, they should check that their COVID is negative or not.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Dr. Cal. Very well said. Only thing I can add here, COVID जो question है ची, COVID fully recover. दुईटा जिनस अछि COVID रो आज infective stage recovery हैला कि नहीं सेटा number 1. जदि 14 दिन पर usually 14 days पर this person cannot infect. That's usually तार viral load कमी जाए. I'm the test कले भी जदि बाहर तो भी viral shedding होथबा positive आसपारे. So usually 14 days पर हमें we are safe. Other one जो Dr. Cal say, recovery is a long process for COVID. Fully recover is allowed. How many your systems are affected. That depends, but it could be quick, it could be long. Okay, next question I'm going to ask Dr. Sadiq. We have that's a good question. I'm afraid.
Sir, please make sure the responses are within a minute.
Please, we have a lot of questions. Please reflect speed reading chronic. I got just another text. Dr. Sadiq, he said, I'm afraid I don't have COVID. I bought a pulse oximeter. Should I buy oxygen cylinder? When I should, if it happens me, when should I start oxygen myself? Oh my God. Dr. Sadiq, please.
Thank you. Thank you. Dr. Agarwal, thank you so much. What a wonderful presentation it was. So, सबुठ important जिनसा ये पूरा organized discussion रहे थला sir कि COVID infection पर most important part है do not panic. तो सही जिनसों को मैं पुणी repeat करी भी. Please do not hoard oxygen cylinders. केनी की रखिबा किसी मतलब नहीं. Pulse ox अच्छी आपण पाके तो ग्रेट ए प्रेजेंटेशन रे जने प्रेजेंट कहिले जे oxygen values of 92% जाए it is acceptable and that is absolutely perfect. जदि 92 तळो को गला किंबा आपण निश्वास रेट बढ़ी गला किंबा आपण छिडाई सोईबा हालत रु छिडाई गले आपण मुंडो बुलेला तो these are all signs and symptoms जो उथरे हमें कहू कि it is recommended आपण जाए कि हॉस्पिटल रे निजो को चेक करांतु. तो do not use oxygen until and unless not recommended or advised. Dr. Agarwal representation से mention करी थले oxygen toxicity विषय से तापाई we have to go into a different lecture at the time नहीं हम पाके unfortunately these questions are good but most importantly panic करंतु नहीं breathing exercise करंतु एथिरे just simple गोटे advice देबी ओडिसा रे मोर बहुत मते फोन आसे I'm sure आपण माने सब पाके फोन आसे तो incentive spirometer मिले ओडिसा रे ताकू किनि नियंतु सेटा न मिली पाउची गां गंडा रे तो गोटे मोटा बेलून किनि नियंतु ताकू दिन को 6-7 थर एक्सरसाइज करंतु प्रत्येक सेशन रे 10 थर ताकू करिले breathing exercise रे hope you will never require oxygen and we are all here आपन जदी क्वेश्चंस दरकार हो you can always text us one of us will get back to you. Thank you
very much. Thank you, Dr. Sadiq. And as we said, we are all here. We have जेतेले आपण टेस्ट करी हम आंसर दबो हमर गोटे पैनल रहउची तापरे गोटे मु आम पाकर अछंती हमर global ambassador Sabyasachi Mishra, very popular actor, and his wife Sabya. I saw you. Can you ask the something you are saying?
Yes. Yeah, मु गोटे क्वेश्चन पचारिबी एटा एक्चुअली गोटे बहुत कॉमन जिंस जोटा कि वर्तमान ओडिसा रे मु देखिया को पाउची इवन इंडिया रे जे जो माने टिके कोविड अफेक्टेड हेई गला परे गोटे पैनिक होची तांका भितरे साइकोलॉजिकली से माने बहुत टेंस भी होचंती तापरे एटा गोटे डिफिकल्टी होची जे किए साइकोलॉजिकली पैनिक होची और किए रियल सेंस रे प्रॉब्लम रची आ समस्त गोटे रहउची इंटेंशन हु कैन अफोर्ड और हु कैन टेक द एडवांटेज की मतलब ऑक्सीजन सिलिंडर दरकार तो जो ऑक्सीजन सिलिंडर जो घरे रखिबार जो प्रोसेस रे से माने जदी ऑक्सीजन नउचंती से सिलिंडर माने इरेस्पेक्टिव ऑफ से माने दरकार करचंती कि न करचंती अब से जो कंफर्ट जोन को से माने पळुचंती सिलिंडर पाइला पर साइकोलॉजिकली हो किबा फिजिकली हो रियल सेंस रे एटा कोन तांकर जो एग्रीवेट करबाटा जिंस जेटा जरा सपोज ऑक्सीजन पाइला पर जे ओटा रियल डेंजर जने अछि आ ऑक्सीजन पाइला पर ताकू टिके कंफर्ट जोन लागला टिके कंफर्टेबल लागिला ताले हॉस्पिटल को न जाय कि से आउरी डेंजर को इनवाइट करूची की आउरी प्रॉब्लम को इनवाइट करूची की
Absolutely, sir. That's a very good question. Before I give somebody, let me tell you this. इसे ऑक्सीजन घरे रखी की किछि लाभ नाही. You somebody has to monitor. तमा monitor दरकार. जो मु कहली 94 ऊपर को जदी अछि we don't have to worry. Even 94 92 भितरे we have to continue exercise, walk around ए जो करिया पड़िबो. तापरे जदी 90 तळ को रहला then you can 92 or 90 तळ खेले you can call the hospital. You don't need to have oxygen. Oxygen cylinder also very dangerous to have in home. जदी ऑक्सीजन जदी इट्स ए वेरी इनफ्लेमेबल गैस जदी सेठी के उडे डियासिल काटी जा के बीडी टाणी देला कोन हैला you may whole thing will burn and we see in USA every hospital every year they have lot of patient burning oxygen a lot of loss so oxygen is not a good thing.
बहुत लोकंकर गोटे मन भीतर रहउची जेमति कि माने एमति गोटे साइकोलॉजिकली समस्त भाबुचंती आज ऑक्सीजन इज मेडिसिन तो सेटा को लोक मानकर मन भीतर बाहर करिया पड़िबो आ ता पई माने आपण मानकर एडवाइसिंग काम करिवो जे ऑक्सीजन टा गोटे मेडिसिन नुह ऑक्सीजन टा गोटे सपोर्ट सिस्टम हेई पारे किंतु लोक माने भाबुचंती ऑक्सीजन हैला माने कोविड बोल होइजो
जेमति जदी से भाबुचन मेडिसिन डाक्टर भी लिखिबो त ऑक्सीजन शुड बी ओनली गिवन बाय डॉक्टर not any pharmacy, nothing. Doctor has to evaluate. I'm daily more practice every day. Every patient, I mean, they are on oxygen and pulse oximeter every day. We know how to. So then is it dangerous? Yes. Is it medicine? Yes, you are right. It's a therapy. So it has to be given by a doctor. But जो कहलनी तमे सभ्य ए जो एंजाइटी से मु गला थर आमे से गला थर जो करिथिलु पूरा सही तार ऊपर डेडिकेट करथिलु गलार सेमिनार एंड हमर सुभाष प्रधान बढ़िया कहिथिले लोक मान पैनिकनेस टा को छाडिया पड़ दौड़ी खोजिबे ऑक्सीजन असुविधा तेणु दे हैव टू स्टे काम कारण 85-90% लोक माने घर ही चिकित्सा होचन कोविड पॉजिटिव तेणु से माने मरु ओनली 1.52% डेथ इन इंडिया रे डेथ आउरी कम तेणु okay, you have another question, anybody?
Yeah, when should you do D-dimer? Attasu bhai, is there any answer?
Attasu can take, yeah.
Okay, yeah, D-dimer basically is a good test to find out, not only it tells us about the inflammation, it also tells us about the thrombogenicity, blood clotting factor बढ़ुची नहीं जदि D-dimer high था actually value is it's a very interesting thing. The D-dimer we measure over here in US and the D-dimer in Odisha or India, the value is different. So number one, don't do D-dimer blood test without asking a doctor. That is number one. Number two, when we should do it, ideally you should wait for at least 4 to 5 days before you do the D-dimer. Again, you have to take the advice of the doctor before you do it. Now, question is, suppose at least I get 4 to 5 calls every day. My father has D-dimer this, this dimer, grandfather has this, what should I do? Suppose the D-dimer is high. First thing is, don't be panic. Talk to the doctor. What usually what we are following and we are recommending is anybody who is little elderly has got COVID, we are starting the baby aspirin, which is a kind of anti-platelet, platelet against the kamo kore. We're starting from the day one. You don't have to be worried if the D-dimer is high, but if it is very high, consult a doctor. You may need some anticoagulation medication. There are different anticoagulation medication. I don't want to go into the therapeutics, but always consult a doctor and don't do D-dimer from the day one. Ideally, depending on the symptoms, depending on the fever, wait for 4 or 5 days before you do the D-dimer.
Again, thank you, Attasu. Again, D-dimer is a doctor's prescribed thing. Do not go to any lab, do D-dimer. D-dimer se lab, even mu dekhichi, loko patichandi, tinita lab ku jai Odisha re, tinita prakar D-dimer. So it's confusing. Do not do D-dimer, doctor will tell you when to do. No, so that is another question. Hey, Mr. Nirakal Samal achanti ki? Asibe, question de pachale, live, Nirakar Babu? I can read the question. I can take the question. Say what a pain management upare, which I don't, it's not related to COVID, but we can take it. My wife has knee pain severely 15 years back. Some injection given for 5 years, felt okay, but now having pain started, whether injection will be continued or other treatment. I mean, are you worried that you, because of the COVID time, jaiki doctor dekhe kariba ki nahi? Is that your concern, Mr. Samal?
Okay. Looks like I having some audio issues, so anytime we try to.
I can answer. What happened? Ame COVID, jadi jankar severe pain, house debilitating pain, you have to आमको तार चिकित्सा करे पड़िबो कारण पेन गोटे जिंस जो तमे ताकू लगे कंटिन्यू कला टिके टिके ट्रीटमेंट कोन खाई कर देला रियल तार पेन कौन जो होची नकल इट acute pain become chronic pain will be very difficult to eradicate माने बहुत कष्ट हो तेन chronic pain हबा जाय जीवन यदि पेन होची आपण डाक्टर देखबे नी रे कोन हेची कि आर्थराइटिस हेची तार ट्रीटमेंट करबे तेन यस आपण जीवा पड़िबो डाक्टर जहा ऑर्थोपेडिक्स
may I interfere? I am orthopedic.
Yeah, कौन?
I am Dr. Shankar Sampatra from Barampur, Odisha.
That's
Acha, the way he is thinking, the cause of present knee pain may not be the same cause which he had 5, 10 or 15 years back. So if in this now the crisis period, if at all it is tolerable and taken care of by only say acetaminophen or like that, he need not worry, he has to wait for some days to consult the orthopedician. Or else, if it is so acute, he may go for, say, ultrasound or live traumatic paralysis combination, and he may contact an orthopedician, go for investigation, confirm what is the cause, what is the etiology of present arthritis, and accordingly, he has to undergo treatment.
Definitely, I agree with you. And
This the patient, whether the patient, the first you need to know whether the patient was taking a steroid injection or not.
No.
The arthritis.
That's why I am telling.
No. Listen.
He need not go for repeating the same thing. Maybe steroid, but
Dr. Patra, listen to the question first. Whoever answer, we have to go to the question pinpoint. You cannot just argue, So my wife has severe knee pain. That's it. She has severe knee pain. So they has to go to a doctor. He cannot treat.
Haze or head?
Again?
Haze or head? HAS or HAD?
My having pain.
Now having. Okay, then she has to consult the orthopedician and first to know the etiology.
Yeah, that's what I was
asking whether I will repeat the injection or not. He should not. He should not without consulting a doctor, a physician, or a orthopedist.
That's true.
He should not
I want to add very quickly because Incom is a benzathine penicillin injection, so he definitely has to confirm it is an antibiotic. I don't know what he was taking it for before, so they have to definitely see a doctor and confirm what is happening this time.
Arthritis, they use steroids, no?
Okay, what is our next question?
Let's move back. COVID unrelated, please let's post it. We'll answer online.
We'll not answer any more unrelated COVID now. And they can directly reach out to us. I may direct kare ki amara orthopedician action Dr. Patra. They can reach out, please. So, I have one more question. Let me see.
I see a raised hand, Suchi-san.
Yeah, raise kar.
ମୋର ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ question ଥିଲା I think ଟିକେ confusion ଅଛି ଯେ diet କେମିତି ହବ ongoing COVID and recovered COVID patient ମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ. So if you could little bit touch on that ki kemiti protein ki kona exactly diet and how it helps.
Okay, the best person will be Bijay Thomas. Can you say it briefly, answer that, Bijay?
Yeah, I think see, diet is always geared towards helping your body and immune system. So I guess we all know what is the right food. So I think the best food is your vegetables, salads, fruits. You do need some proteins. That's always good. And I think there's nothing special. So it should be more like an immune boosting diet. And we have to kind of get back to routine activities. So get to walking, sleep well. So, there are a lot of things that helps the immune system. So we have to kind of do all the right things to help the immune system. So the big thing is vegetables, salads, fruits, the right meats, fish and chicken. Yeah.
Okay, very good. Galathara, last year, we missed some questions. One person wrote it. My daughter wears a contact lens. Should she take any special precaution? Anybody can go? Dr. Sadiq, can you go with this?
Sangeeta bhi achhi hote. Sangeeta is there too.
Sangeeta is here? Sangeeta, can you take this question? Anybody? Again, the question is
because we have seen in the Moorfield Hospital, we don't have to take any precaution for the COVID because very rarely one in 50,000 people transmitted the virus through the eyes. So you need to just cover it. Be careful about that.
Yeah. Basically, whenever you put on the contact lens, you first wash your hand clearly.
That is true.
That's clear. So nothing special. Okay.
Yeah, no. And then discard the old contact lenses. Yeah.
Yeah.
Discard the old contact.
Julie is there. Julie
I need to discuss some of the things.
Hold on. I got 10 minutes. A question that let's discuss with the question. It will be good. Thank you. So Julie is waiting for a question. She has not.
Julie. Julie. Okay, let me see. Yeah, same. This question came. My daughter has COVID positive. Her fever, she's not having any fever after a couple days, and she's feeling good. Appetite is good. It's already 9 day. Today 9 day. In how long we should quarantine her, or we can let her go out and mix with other people. Julie, can you take this?
केते बयस
से लेखिनी से खाली लेखी my daughter. Like, you know, just
yeah,
anybody. Yeah.
irrespective of age, I think quarantine for 10 days is good. 14 days is excellent, but 10 days is appropriate. Hey, haba.
Good. Say like it's 9 days. So one more day. You'll be excited now. Very good. Thank you, Dr. Swai. Acha, I've got a question. Any other question on the chat, Rasmi? Any other question?
Question achi bhai Ruchitra. I think she's more like it's informative question.
Yeah.
He's asking, most of the COVID patients who are getting themselves treated at home are not getting themselves tested after 14 days. Awareness is highly essential about this. Maybe this is one of the many reasons why the cases are on rise. So any like recommendation or information on that?
Well, cases are on rise again in India. You're talking about India?
India.
India, let me tell you, everybody knows why. Okay, about 48 million people went to one of the Kumbh Mela. You know, we don't have COVID thila, bahut dam thila, plus election. So we call super spreader event. Nowhere in the world ever 48 million people gather karibe jodi gote pandemic re haba. So again basic SMS. Remember ame jo padithulu aguru se pathitele Dr. Mahanti, SMS, sanitization, and you stay stay away and masking. These are things you have to have. Plus you have to take the vaccine. That's it.
See, this Indian variant, recently they have diagnosed the Indian variant. We have received some of the cases from India. And we have seen this is a 500 times more faster spread.
Yeah.
And they causes 2 to 3 times more severity.
Yeah.
So you have to be more careful. You might be start the double mask and be careful of all the masks because they are spread very fastly. Even they are airborne. They say you don't have to we have checked some of the patients in one room, and he is not contact with the other patient in the other room, but the patient has received the virus. So it is look like it is a air spreading rather than any any droplets.
Well, yeah, thank you, Dr. Kal. I mean, again, we have to come back to the same, SMS.
SMS, that's true. That's
true. So this, even Jane Pacharchi, hey, that is a question. Let me read this. My husband took the 1 dose vaccine. No, I took two doses. My husband took the first dose and coming second dose coming next week. So what should we do now? Should we continue to maintain after 2 dose vaccine will be? Man, se kama pachare chahun je more 2 dose vaccine alar kete din pare will be safe.
Basan bhai, I can take this question.
Take others.
So most important thing, I think, say koila say gote vaccine ichunti, and after 1 week or so he will take the second.
Tanga husband gote nei chandi di kar.
Tenu most important hoji you have to mane Covishield ki Covaxin, if you can, you have to take it in 4 weeks. So after vaccine, usually for the Covishield, the at least or even Covaxin, you have to wait for 2 weeks to get the full immunity. So, 2 doses of vaccine, that should not be a passport. You can do anything. You still have to follow the same guideline, SMS or CDC guideline, even if you have taken vaccine. Because what we are seeing, a lot of people, particularly in India, they are getting the infection even after 2 doses of Covishield and Covaxin, even in my family and everybody's family we have seen. And sometimes they are getting severe, moderate to severe infection to get it admitted in the hospital. Of course, the mortality is very low if they have got 2 doses of vaccine. So even if they have got a vaccine, still ideally you should wait for 2 weeks to get a full immunity, but still you have to wait the way the things are going in India. You still have to follow the guidelines and don't let your guards down.
Thank you. Thank you.
SMS.
Thank you. Thank you, Atasu. We all should try to speak.
So somebody is asking about can you take the another type of vaccine if you're taking the another vaccine.
Well, hey, Ajit, let's keep it for next week. You cannot answer all the kind of next week is only vaccine, guys. If you have any vaccine question, just wait 7 days. We have all the good vaccine gurus will be coming. We'll give you answer. I think we are almost done. I think.
Vasan bhai, can I ask one question? I can ask the question too?
Oh, yeah, before you go, yes, you can. Is anybody, Rasmi, any more questions left?
I think what a question.
Wow.
Asking ki after 14 days, most of the home quarantine people are not like getting themselves tested. How to ensure that I resume normal activity with my testing, like normal?
I can answer. You don't need to test. If you feel good, go ahead, resume normal activity. But make sure all your family around you, make sure they are, you have to make sure.
If you're feeling unwell, if your fever is still persisting, and if your fatigability is still there, you can test it again. But if your sign and symptoms is gone, it's better not to do it.
What I'm saying, you can test it as many you want. Do we need to test? You cannot treat it. What are you going to keep? So if you are not feeling good, you don't have to go out. So that question is, can you test after 14 days? I don't think you need to test at all.
Need to test. No.
One thing, Vasan bhai, for that question answer is that test can remain positive 3 months for 3 months.
Exactly. Sir.
Yeah. So if you are completely well after 14 days, you don't have to do it.
Doctor mane kaun karu ki anything we order. Suppose we order chest take. Suppose your blood test. Bhabibu, if I take the result, can I treat something? If there is no treatment, we don't order anything. So we recommend.
Because after 14 days, they are the dead virus. They are not infectious. They are not spreading anymore.
So that's
the main question. Yeah.
So okay, any more question, Rasmi?
That more like I'm asking as other party. For example, like I am COVID positive today and I like quarantine 14 days. I think I'm recovering good and I'm still positive. What is to expect from a neighbor? Like because I recovered, but I don't have my test results. So, for example, my neighbor or my colleague, suppose I'm a healthcare worker. So, how do they expect like it is safe for them to interact with me? That's the question from the other side.
Okay.
I don't understand. Can you clear it a bit more?
Yeah, basically what's saying is now he has got COVID, now he 14 days is done. So now he's still COVID test is positive, but he's completely cured from the symptoms point. Now the neighbors are asking whether they can mingle with him or something like that. I think that is the question. The answer is, even if now in India, even if after 14 days, you have to wear mask. If a neighbor is coming to your house, tell him to wear the mask. That's the only
that's the simple and best answer. That's the best answer. Yeah. I will Rasmi. Any more questions? Let's go to Dr. Thomas.
No, more. Yeah, I was just asking the panelists, like maybe if someone has COVID day 7, they start off at 98, 99 on the pulse ox. Day 7 is 90, say 4, and then day 8, 9 it's already 91. And the person doesn't want to go to the hospital. How would you help him? Because in the hospital they do use anticoagulation and steroids. So how would a person stay at home and be treated like with a good physician on the other side? I mean, is there any kind of maybe this is for Dr. Sadiq and maybe Dr. Lenka, or maybe Dr. Agarwal, or maybe Vasan bhai too, or Ajit too.
I don't know.
What can you do?
I don't know what
to help the person avoid going to the hospital and because the one thing is I want to reduce the hospital burden because we want to kind of do all the right things and even help the person not even need oxygen. So I mean, what are we going to do when the oxygen, which is 98, is dropped to 94 and now it's 92? What are we going to do? Yeah.
A lot of protocol is there. I don't know whether India in Odisha
this is for outpatient. This is not for inpatient. This is not for inpatient. Outpatient only.
Bijoy, I can take that question.
Go ahead, Sanjay. Go ahead.
So, I have managed quite a few patients in the last 3 months, and I try to keep them. If it's 5th, 6th day, people are still having symptoms, I give them oral anticoagulations at home, and also give them oral steroids. So the steroids I take is about not on the higher end, but medium end, 6 milligrams PO dexamethasone every day, or which is equivalent to about 16 milligrams methylprednisolone twice a day. And I also give them Eliquis 5 milligrams if it's a younger population without any comorbid condition or chances of bleeding is less. I give them full dose of anticoagulation for about 10-15 days. So I've been able to keep almost all my family members, whether it is in Sambalpur, Rourkela, or nearby areas, all of them have been managed at home. So with anticoagulation and with steroids, I've been able to keep them and keep track of the vital signs every 4 hours. Watch for secondary infections. If they have anything like pneumonia develops or anything else, we need to take care of that. Somebody who is diabetic, want to keep the diabetes range, the sugars in less than 200, maybe 130 to 200, around that range, and manage the blood pressure as well. Manage anxiety. Anxiety and panic is very important. Keeping hydration and proper food. That's my regimen.
Excellent.
Thank you very much. Thank you. I think we are at the end of our we already exceeded time. Is Sabyasachi around still? Sabyasachi? Probably not. If it's Sabya, I want to ask you.
Just stepped out.
मोर गोटे क्वेश्चन थिला
कुहतु
अच्छा मोर गोटे सान भौणीटे सीए होची से कोवैक्सीन माने नेला गोटे डोज फर्स्ट डोज नेला से 3 दिन परे ताको पूरी पॉजिटिव हला तार वर्तमान तार 15 डेज माने सरीला किंतु तार सेकंड डोज ता से कोन सेही 4 सप्ताह परे नबो ना इमीडिएटली मासे परे नबो
Basant bhai, I can take this.
Take that because we want to answer all the COVID, all the vaccine question next week, but we'll definitely take this one. Others to take it.
Yeah, actually, I get similar question from my friends from Odisha. At least 3-4 people they called me yesterday about this. Mane gote dose nechonti tapre 5 din pore tanku hela mane COVID heichi bortan kon
yes
the second vaccine. Ideally, the best thing is the day he recovers. Don't to apan ko 14 din pore recover hale, from that day he can take the second dose after 4 to 8 weeks. America recommendation is after Moderna or Pfizer, we give it after the COVID is recovered. 3 months after the recovery, you can take the full. Suppose you got the first vaccine, you can take the second vaccine after 3 months. But in India, for Covishield and Covaxin, you can take after 4 to 8 weeks. And upon the minor symptoms, so 4 to 4 weeks is fine. But if somebody has got severe pneumonia, suppose hospital admit, they can even wait longer. Maybe they can wait 8 weeks to take the second dose of vaccine. But that is from the
minor हेकरे भलो हे गलानी नेगेटिव वर्तमान नेगेटिव रिजल्ट हे गलानी
to negative after 4 weeks he can take the second dose. Bijay, I think that is the usual recommendation we
I would agree with what Atush said. Yeah,
that's right.
All right, very good.
बसंत भाई जस्ट अविनाश बाबू हमको जॉइन करछन्ते ओडिसा रो ताकरो गोटे क्वेश्चन टिके नै परबे दी बहुत
कोंत
आगे नमस्कार मोर गोटे सान भाई 10 डेज बैक कोविड अफेक्टेड हेतिला गवर्नमेंट तरफ जहा कोविड पे मेडिसिन खाइबा कथा से सब खाइजी बट वर्तमान प्रॉब्लम कोन से तार ऑक्सीजन सैचुरेशन 89 रहउची तापर से ब्रीथिंग एक्सरसाइज कला पर सेटा 94 हो जाउची
अच्छा
तार टेंपरेचर मझिरे आछी
अच्छा
101 एमती टेम्परेचर आसुची तो सी बे टिके निश्वास नवा पई तार माने कंफर्टेबल फील करूनी आ तार टेम्परेचर आसुची आ काश होई कि कफ भी पडुची तो एई कंडीशन रे से मेडिकल रे एडमिटेड होबा ठीक होबो ना घरे रही कि
अच्छा डॉक्टर संजय अग्रवाल कैन यू टेक दिस
Yes, sure. So I think 9 days, 10 days after the thing, if his saturation is still 89%, I would look for a bed. I would look for hospitalization monitoring, maybe whether it is in a ward, basically look for labs. Yes, what else is happening? Maybe X-ray at this time. CT scan is not needed, but I think looking for secondary infection, looking for other causes as to why the hypoxemia is still maintaining. And if needed, he needs to be monitored, actually. So I would recommend getting into the hospital if possible.
Thank you very much.
What is the age of that patient?
Younger brother, na kya?
Her brother, so he must be adult.
Boy,
Yeah.
sir?
Around 30.
Yeah. No, ठीक है. We agree. He needs to go to hospital.
30
Yeah.
years old.
Yeah, he needs to go to the hospital if possible.
Yeah, he need to go to the hospital.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay, I think any question or we're going to finish this time.
Now, question. Let's wrap up, Basant bhai. If you are done, then I'll just wrap up.
Go ahead, Devashish. We are done. Thank you very much, everybody.
Okay, thank you again, everybody.
Thank you all.
Thank you all, and I thank all the participants who are here and gave a passionate presentation and question and answers. Thanks to Sanjay, thanks to Jyoti, thanks to Chandan and Ajit Bhai, Atashu, Vijay, and all of the experts, and Basant Bhai for a wonderful coordination, and Rashmi for doing the IT and handling the IT aspect, and all the participants who came and joined. And please spread the information, the same connections to all your friends and social media. We are coming with the same Zoom link every Saturday, USA time re Barta Eastern, which will be 9:30 Saturday India time re. So India time re Saturday 9:30, you can join us and welcome us to your house, inside your house with your family. And will be glad to be part of your family too. And then we are doing some COVID projects also. And update भी करिबो हम fundraising every day, every week. Next week, COVID vaccine में Dr. Samarinder Mishra, our ID expert from Delhi, our senior patron and member, he'll be presenting, and we'll have some also guest speakers who will join us, and we'll take all questions and answers. By saying this, namaskar and have a wonderful weekend. God bless.
Thank you, doctors. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And I would also like to thank Julie.
Thank you all the doctors.
I would also like to thank Julie and Sanjeev Shway for helping us today and helping us in the COVID project very much. Thank you again, Julie and Sanjeev.
Bhai, you don't need to. We are always there. Thank you so much to all of you who are doing selflessly such a great job just helping humanity and mankind at this hour of crisis. So thank you and God bless you all.
I second it. Definitely.
Very good. Yeah.
Thank you all doing this.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye. Namaskar.
Namaskar.